Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Zeke and welcome to the Dream Green Show. In this episode, I added a stock to my portfolio and I'm going to show you all the buys that I bought this week. The stock that I added to my portfolio this week has the potential to double in the very near future, and we're playing the news of this company, and we're going to hold on to this company for at least the next year to 5 years until our money eventually doubles if the news continue to play out how I hope it plays out. I'm going to keep you guys updated, but I'm going to give you what new stock I added to my portfolio this week that has the potential to double, and I'm going to show you guys what other stocks I bought this week that's making me passive income through their high dividend yields that I just added to my portfolio. I'm going to pick up a couple of shares of that as well. But before we dive into this video, make sure that you guys subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. Also, this video is brought to you by Webull. Sign up now by clicking the link down in the description, deposit $100, and now you can receive 4 free stocks valued up to $1,600 each. Once you get your 4 free stocks, you can decide to leave them inside of the platform and use the platform, or you could sell those 4 free stocks and withdraw all of that money. It's literally free money, but make sure you sign up now before the end of December. I think that's when the promotion ends for the 4 free stocks, so don't miss out on this great opportunity. Also, if you want to pick up some Bitcoin while Bitcoin is on a bull run right now, the link is down in the description. It's called COINBASE. That is by far the easiest way to buy cryptocurrency, either straight from your phone or straight from your desktop. Both of those links are down in the description. But enough talking, let's go ahead and dive straight into this video. Welcome back, dreamers. Here we are on my Robinhood account. Right now my account is at $41,543.45. right now on the day I'm down 0.5%, $222.15. well, $221.02. on the week I am up 1%, up $376.79. and on the month I had a pretty solid month, being up 9%, up $3,430.77. So the stock that I decided to add to my portfolio this week is playing off of the, I don't know if I could say this word on YouTube, but playing off of the pandemic news and the vaccine that's going to cure that pandemic. Now you see what I'm saying? I can't say it on YouTube, but you guys all know what I'm talking about. And a lot of people are investing into Pfizer or Moderna. I have maybe a share or two of those, but this new company, well, this is not a new company. This company that I just added to my portfolio this week that has the potential to double in the very near future, playing off of this news of what just came out on these two companies. We have the potential to double our money. And one of those companies is CVS. All right, so let's pull up CVS right quick. CVS. Bam. All right, so CVS is at $68.71. The reason why I say CVS has the potential to double, over the last year they're down, and even over the last 5 years they're down. But the news that just came out is that you're going to be able to get the vaccine from Walgreens and from CVS. They approved, CVS and Walgreens, that people are going to be able to walk into CVS, going to be able to walk into Walgreens and receive the vaccination from this pandemic that's going around the world right now. So usually CVS and Walgreens really had no reason for foot traffic to go through their stores, unless you was going to their stores to pick up your medication or running inside right quick to pick up a Red Bull or a toothbrush. They really had no real reason to run inside Walgreens, except for they're on pretty much every corner in every neighborhood. But now that they have been approved, let's scroll down to the news right quick. All right, so here we go. 8 hours ago, CVS Health will begin administering vaccinations at long-term health facilities this week. So beginning this week, they're going to get a bunch of new foot traffic inside of their stores. If no one even shopped at CVS or Walgreens before, now they're going to eventually go inside one of these stores, and that's going to raise little bitty sales throughout the store. And if thousands of people come in and buy a bag of chips or a Red Bull or a toothbrush along with that vaccination, along with gaining new customers, then that could be a big thing for Walgreens and a even bigger things for CVS. The reason that I'm riding with CVS over Walgreens is because they're a much bigger company. Their market cap is $89.9 billion, and they have a pretty decent dividend of 2.88% dividend yield on CVS. Now, if we look at Walgreens, which is WBA, Walgreens is at $40.67, and over the last 5 years, they're down 51%, and their market cap is $35 billion with a dividend yield of 4.55%. So you could pick the cheaper stock if you want to, but I'm gonna ride with CVS. So let's pick up one share of CVS. This is not a week-long play or a month play. I'm gonna hold on to CVS probably for the next couple of years to see if they eventually recover 27% due to a lot of new customers and a lot of foot traffic coming through their stores to come get the vaccination shot. So let's put in a market order, hit trade. I'm going to, no, not trade options. So I'm going to buy one share of CVS. Well, I have 269 buying power, but I'm gonna pick up one share of CVS. Okay, so the reason I only picked up one share of CVS is because I'm not rich. I'm a pretty normal investor, pretty much like most of you guys out there. If you got more money, hey, I wanna be like you, man. I just wanna be like you. All right, so the next company that we're gonna pick up is two decent yield dividend companies. One of them is the ETF. So let's scroll over to PEY. All right, right now I got 72 shares of PEY. I'm up 13%, up $144.62, and I have a dividend yield of 4.33%. This is a monthly paying dividend stock. I get paid out every single month from holding PEY. So I'm going to buy a couple of shares of PEY. Because like I always say, I eventually want to get this to 100 shares. So let's put in an order right now. Let's try to pick up 3 shares. No, let's try to pick up 4 shares. Nah, I'm going to pick up 3 shares of PEY. Hit review. Swipe up. And there we go. I put in an order. It should get filled soon. I put in a limit order for $17.12. So that should get placed very, very soon. And the next one that I'm gonna pick up is NRZ. This one is a super high dividend stock. Let me show you guys. Right now, NRZ just broke above $10. That's pretty darn good, all right, for it to be above $10. I always want to grab it when it's below $9, but right now it's at $10.05. I'm currently down 15%. And I have 186 shares. My average cost is $11.92. So I'm averaging down right now. And this one is a quarterly paying dividend stock, but I have a dividend yield of 8.04%, almost doubling what PEI was paying in their dividend yield. So I'm gonna pick up a couple of shares of NRZ. I'm gonna hit trade, buy. Let's pick up 3, 4. We're gonna pick up 4 shares of NRZ. So that's gonna bring down my average cost. Swipe up. And there it goes, 4 of them has been filled. And let's go over to the last company that I'm gonna buy. It's a company that you guys probably all heard of. A lot of investors are telling you to invest into these new IPO companies, telling you to invest all of your money into Airbnb or into just straight dividend companies or companies that they think will double. Well, I always put some of my money into very stable companies, and the stable company that I'm gonna buy this week is Google. So let's go ahead and pick up some shares of Google. Right now, Google is at $1,734.56. Over the last month, they're actually down 1.56%. So they went all the way up to around $1,824. So I think if I get it around $1,700, I'm getting it for a steal. But I always want to invest a little money into very stable companies. Everyone knows what Google is. Google is not going anywhere anytime soon, and this is a company that I plan to hold to pass on to my kids' kids, Google. So if we look at the year, Google has been killing it over the last year. They're up $375, 27%. So yes, Google is a very good company. I would buy some Amazon, but they're super high right now due to the holiday season. But we're gonna go ahead and invest $100 into Google Class A stock right quick. So we're gonna hit trade. We're gonna hit buy, and this is, I can't buy a full share of Google, so we're gonna hit that share button at the top right, hit buy in dollars, and we're gonna buy $100 worth of Google. Hit review, swipe up, And there we go. I purchased 0.057841 shares of Google. And there we go, dreamers. I bought 4 stocks this week. I added a brand new stock to my portfolio, CVS, with the hopes that all the new traffic come to their stores to get the vaccination will boost that company in the next 1 to 5 years. I also bought 2 other dividend stocks, PEY and NRZ. NRZ is a real estate REIT that's has a pretty sweet dividend, and PEY is a monthly paying dividend ETF that's been treating me good so far. And then the last one that I bought was Google. Everyone knows Google. That is a very safe play. I haven't heard of too many people that invested into Google lose money unless they did something stupid. But yeah, Google is a pretty safe one, so it's always good to have some safe stocks inside your portfolio just in case anything crazy out there happen, guys. You never know. But those are the 4 stocks that I added to my portfolio this week. If you guys bought any stocks this week, let me know down in the comment section. Let me know which one you picked up and what's that company all about. I'm gonna take a look at it and see if we want to add it to our portfolio. But other than that, guys, if you want to get 4 free stocks and some Bitcoins, those links are down in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. Other than that, I'm Zeke, bringing you the Dream Green Show, and I'm out. Peace.